So, a painting found at a flea market, old, worn out, somewhat unfortunate, in need of care and attention. By now, many people probably have a general idea of the stages of restoration: cleaning, consolidation, varnishing, color matching. But there is one process that is almost never talked about, or talked about far too little. But before I continue, subscribe to my channel. It's not only about restoration, but also about those unexpected inner discoveries that sometimes come from working with painting of the past. What I mean are the thoughts that slowly emerge during the work itself. These are the thoughts swarming in the restorator's mind while their hands are busy working. Today was exactly that kind of day for me. At some point, I caught myself wondering, what was the artist thinking about while painting this picture? How did he imagine the future of his characters, fictional or real? What plans did he have for his own life? What did he expect from tomorrow? And another thought, to what extent are the events we observe really the way they happen if we are not thinking about them? Sometimes it feels as though reality itself changes depending on whether we look at it or not, whether we notice it, whether we attach meaning to it. And then you suddenly realize something strange. Life almost always turns out completely different from what we imagine, as if there is some other course of events that can never be predicted in advance. On the one hand, there is something unsettling about that, but on the other hand, there is also a strange sense of relief in it. Because then you stop clinging to the need to control everything and calculate everything ahead of time, and you begin to accept the future will turn out differently anyway. Perhaps I did the same with painting. Every artist, when beginning a work, imagines its fate in one way or another. Perhaps a greater future, perhaps a satisfied client, recognition, money, or simply the joy of the work itself. But it is unlikely that the author of this painting, with a signature that I still have not managed to decipher with complete certainty, could ever have imagined that almost 200 years later, in a small Spanish town, a restorer named Olga would be trying to restore his original vision. Thinking about what pigments he used, whether the varnish was originally this warming tone, or whether time changed it, why this strange brushstroke appeared here. Was it accidental, or was it a sudden emotion from the artist that once escaped onto the canvas? I do not think he could ever have imagined such a fate for his work. And yet, this is exactly the fate the painting received. And what its future will be, probably no one knows that either.